It's estimated that 7,000 Americans die every year from prescriptions that are not filled correctly.
What can be done about the problem? News 12's Rick Blackwell talks to a local doctor who is cutting out the middleman.
You have to drive to the drugstore, and then you may have to wait hours to have the prescription filled. In some cases, you decide to not even get the medicine. Well, Dr. Philip Orenberg has a prescription for people's pill problems. The Boca Raton cardiologist, one of a growing number of doctors dispensing drugs right from his office.
So here's the Coumadin, so you're taking that every day.
Patient John Marchese gets his blood thinner and cholesterol-lowering drug during his regular visit.
Why would you want to go to a pharmacist, really? I mean, I hate to say it, but it's just too convenient. I think it's a great thing. It's revolutionized the industry.
Orders are filled right here in the office. The doctor has to get certification in order to distribute the drugs.
Your liver functions are good, your cholesterol is right where you want it.
Great.
So that's that one.
Thank you.
So you'll have a month's supply of both of those.
The cost of the prescriptions are comparable to what you would pay in a pharmacy.
I don't see that anybody really loses from this. Doctors have control over the medications that they prescribe and following the patients that they're responsible to. Patients have much more comfort, I think, discussing their medications in the doctor's office. It's way more convenient.
And the one-stop shop lowers the risk of prescription error. Patients get specific instructions on how to take the medicine. And Dr. Orenberg says the program is actually a time saver.
When we dispense the medications ourselves, we're getting rid of all those phone calls, couldn't read your writing, not sure exactly what you want, don't have it in stock. So actually, we're saving a lot of time.
Right now, only about 10 doctors in our area are dispensing drugs in their offices. According to the American Association of Dispensing Practitioners, that number is expected to grow in the months to come. In Boca Raton, Rick Blackwell, WPEC News 12.
And if you're interested in finding out more about doctors who dispense drugs from their office, you can log on to our website at WPECnews12.com and click on links and numbers.